Good afternoon, everybody. It is the 21st of September, Sunday. I hope everyone's having a great afternoon. You know, we are 2 days out from the autumn equinox. That is to say, when day and night are equal. This will be the start of astronomical autumn, and the days are going to get a little shorter every day as we slide on into late December when the winter solstice happens. Now, meteorologically, well, we're going to be a bit above normal, and it's probably going to stay that way through the rest of the year. We will get cooler, of course, but it's not going to be the autumn and winter that we know and love, from our childhood, right? Let's take a look at what's happened with the weather in Japan for the past day and going forward. Hokkaido just got slammed yesterday by this rapidly moving low pressure system that ripped up from the Sea of Japan. Now, this low pressure system yesterday was racing up the Korean Peninsula, up through the Sea of Japan, and it just hammered Hokkaido. You can see there, they got drenched with 65 millimeters of rain in many areas. It was almost like a typhoon. It wasn't, but it almost qualified. Just look at these rain totals. You have some areas in excess of 100 millimeters, even going into today. But let's pull it out and take a look at what's happening in the Pacific Ocean right now. You've got Typhoon 18, which is going to be heading over the Philippines and over into China. It's not going to be a player in Japan's weather. Not an issue. But Typhoon 19, take a look at that guy. He's out there in the Pacific Ocean right now. Until yesterday, there was a lot of disagreement between the JMA, the European modeling, and the Joint Typhoon Warning Center as to exactly where Typhoon 19 was going to go. But as of this morning, it kind of looks like we know what's going to happen here. And everybody pretty much concurs that Typhoon 19, instead of making that southern end run and maybe coming up to Japan, it's just going to go and get pushed up north where it's going to just fizzle out into history. It probably will not touch us. You can see here on the latest European modeling, I've got it outlined here in blue, that Typhoon 19 just bumps up against this ridge of high pressure coming off of Siberia and the Asian mainland, and it just cannot get around that. It just sits there, bubbles, doesn't know what to do, then it moves up north and dissipates. It is getting a little late in the season, but we still have not had a direct hit from a major typhoon yet. Looks like that record will stay intact. And that wraps it up for the big weather events in and around Japan so far. Now, this coming week, not going to see a lot of change. It's high temperatures, not going to move a lot from where they are now, give or take 2-3 degrees either side. Same thing for nighttime. Probably around the Sea of Japan side up in Hokkaido, you'll have a bit of a chance of showers and thunderstorms, say around Thursday, Friday. But for most of the nation, it's going to be fair, partly cloudy, some cases cloudy, but not a lot of heavy weather coming up this week. Enjoy it. Have a good one. And I hope you guys have a great week. Don't forget, Tuesday is a national holiday.